Hi, my name is Ray Wall, Technical Training Specialist for the Linear Corporation. This video is about configuring a 2000E series keypad to control elevators. We will review the output board for the 2000 keypad, the wiring to the elevator, and the programming of the keypad. The 2000 keypad has an optional output board available that provides 8 additional relays that can be controlled by the keypad. You should coordinate with your elevator contractor to help in integrating with the elevator control inputs. When controlling elevators using the 2000 keypad, you will in most cases use one relay per floor. You could potentially use one relay to activate more than one floor using the elevator controls. For this example, let's say relay 3 is connected to the elevator controls to allow access to floor 3. We'll use relay 4 to allow access to floor 4. Use the following program commands to add users to the keypad. To enter programming mode, press 99# master code star. The yellow light will start flashing. To add users, press 59#, the outputs you want to activate for this user. In this case, we will press 5, and this will activate relay 3 on the output board. Press 2# for the user location. This can be any number between 2 and 2000. User code 1 is used for the master code. Then press 2222 star 2222 star. This is the code you will use at the keypad. To exit, press the star. The yellow light will stop flashing. If a user needs to access multiple floors, you can use the same programming sequence you just went through. This time you will program user location 3 to activate relays 3 and 4 on the output board using code 3333. To enter programming mode, press 99# master code star. The yellow light will start flashing. To add a user, press 59#. This time press 5 and then 6#, 3#, 3333 star, 3333 star. To exit, press the star. The yellow light will stop flashing. Now when you use the pin 3333, this will activate relays 3 and 4, giving you access to floors 3 and 4. You can control up to 10 floors using the 2000 keypad for elevator control. Use this chart to determine what outputs you will need to program. Thank you.